Okay, don't mind my messy desk here. Today I wanted to try to show you how I got this application to work to gather data for my final project. What I did was I found this application called Andro Sensor on Android phones. So when you click that, it will come up. And basically what it allows you to do is record any information from any of the sensors on the phone. By default, it's always collecting battery and sound levels. But if you notice here, it also collects light levels. I can show you other sensors later, but right now we'll just stick with this. As you can see, this number changes, and right now I have a spotlight above me, and as I tilt the light sensor, which is right here next to the speaker, you can see the numbers change. That's just based off of the light that's above us. And I'll show you here. Let me turn off the light and show you how I did this. Okay. So now what I did was I went out onto eBay and I found these little dog and pet spotlights. And it's just a little laser, so if you look on the desk, there's the laser. And I flashed this laser, so if you can see right now it's at 0, the light sensor. When I flashed this laser into it, it would actually change the number. There you go. So the idea is that the laser will be on one side of the road, this sensor will be on the other. And every time a car goes through, I'll see the dip in light and be able to record that as a car going through it. When I set two of these up behind back to back, I can tell the difference between the time that the car went through one sensor and the other, and then I can calculate the speed. So here's how this worked. I didn't want people to see these on the side of the road. So what I did was bought a little clip just at Staples, put the laser inside there, and as you can see the pressure holds that laser on. These lasers last about 3 to 4 hours, actually maybe a little bit more, about 5 hours. And then I put some magnets inside this box. So this will clip right on the box and line the laser up through the hole in the side of the box. So as you can see, in fact, let me turn the spotlight back on. There we go. So now you can see the laser held in with the clip and the magnets, just shining through the hole in the box. And so this shut, it was very nice. I sat that on the side of the road. And then I took my phone. I actually bought a few of these on eBay as well. With the Android app running. Just stick the phone inside the box. Actually, that's pretty close to lined up. And when you shut this, there's the light sensor. And I put these across the street from one another, making sure the holes were lined up. So I knew that this was recording. There we go, the light. So every time a car goes through, you can see the laser hits my hand and blocks it from going in that hole. So the Android app is actually detecting that and picking that up as a car going through the sensor.